Krista with WTI. Do you hate waiting for nail salon appointments? Do you hate spending money on something that you could probably do better at home? Well, that is no longer a problem. This Gellen gel nail polish and UV LED light kit is going to solve that issue, and now you'll have professional results at home. The gel manicures are super practical for someone who is out in the yard doing gardening, for someone who is constantly in the kitchen, cooking, washing dishes. Gel manicures are very durable, and they're not going to chip and dent with those simple day-to-day tasks. You could easily go a week or more without needing to refresh your manicure. There's such a variety of colors in this set that are perfect for all seasons, all events, and pretty much can coordinate with any type of apparel. You'll notice there are nice soft pinks, nice neutral tannish orange tones, and even some deeper reds for those that want to go a little bit more bold. Not only is this a treat for myself, but I've also been able to treat some of my friends and family to a home manicure. So if you're looking for a professional looking manicure at home, then look no more. This Gellen gel polish and UV LED light kit is going to be the solution that puts money back in your pocket and beautiful nails to show off, and that's my point of view.